As an enhanced bodybuilder, the ultimate stage is like Olympia stage. Okay, so what about natural bodybuilders?
Those people who talk shit about natural bodybuilding, what have they achieved in natural bodybuilding?
Yes.
Nobody would have achieved anything.
Yes.
So these haters are coming from silly people who would have gotten enhanced themselves,
Yes.
and even there also they wouldn't have achieved anything. Do a natural show first, be natural first. If you can't achieve a medal in a natural bodybuilding show, you might not be worth to actually get enhanced.
तो दोस्तों ये वीडियो है आईसीएन हैदराबाद मेंस ओपन बॉडी बिल्डिंग के ओवरऑल कंपैरिजन की। और गैस ये सारे एथलीट्स अपने कैटेगरी के गोल्ड विनर्स है, तो इनमें से एक जन को मिलेगा प्रो कार्ड। तो ये कंपैरिजन वाला वीडियो पहले देख लीजिए, फिर हम बताते हैं आपको कि इस कैटेगरी का प्रो कार्ड विनर कौन था। तो गाइज इस कैटेगरी के विनर थे रवि भाई, जो कि 37 ईयर ओल्ड नेचुरल एथलीट है। और गाइज सामने से अगर आप उनको देखते तो बहुत ही सरप्राइज हो जाते हैं। उनका जो मसल मास है वो बहुत ही डेंस है और प्योर मसल है। उनकी हाइट भी 6 फीट 5 इंच है, और जो मसल मास उन्होंने होल्ड किया है उसकी वजह से आप उनको एक मसल मॉन्स्टर कह सकते हो, जो कि नेचुरली अचीव किया है उन्होंने। तो उनके साथ भी इंटरव्यू किया है हमने, जो कि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखने को मिलेगा। बट फिलहाल इस वीडियो में हम उनके कोच से बात करेंगे, युवा प्रकाश सर से। सो गाइस चलिए देखते हैं वो इंटरव्यू वाला वीडियो और जानते हैं थोड़ा नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डिंग के बारे में। तो हमारे साथ है मंगल आरंभम और युवा प्रकाश सर। सो मुझे ये पूछना है कि जैसे आप आईसीएन में कम्पीट करते हो और प्रो कार्ड भी जीते हो, मंगल भाई आपको कैसा एक आईसीएन स्टेज कैसा लगता है natural bodybuilding के?
See, ICN is the best natural bodybuilding association in India. So they have brought a very good platform here for all the natural athletes, and they have given a hope for natural bodybuilding. And they're doing proper drug testing from WADA. They're doing polygraph and all. So it's a great platform for any natural bodybuilder. It's not like other fake associations where they do just drama.
Yes.
Here they really test, and the judging and everything is good. So ICN is actually a hope for India's natural bodybuilding.
क्या लगता है कि मतलब नेचुरल बॉडी बिल्डिंग अभी 5 साल के बाद कैसा होगा इंडिया में?
Natural bodybuilding, see, at the end of the day, if you take bodybuilding as an example, only when natural bodybuilding grows, the other side, even enhanced bodybuilding grows. This is the basics.
Yes.
This is the fundamentals.
Yes.
So everybody should, what I suggest is everyone should become a natural bodybuilding champion first before they want to take the other route. Even if you zoom out and notice, only when ICN pros, natural bodybuilding pros started coming in India, even the IFBB pros started coming in India around 2019. That's the time natural bodybuilding also started giving pro cards, and if you notice, enhanced bodybuilding also were getting IFBB pro cards. So that is the fact. So after 5 years, there will be more associations like WNBF, INBA will do more shows in India. So there is the exposure will be more for natural bodybuilding, and you will have a great future also as an athlete, as a coach. You can make money also being a natural bodybuilder.
As an enhanced bodybuilder, the ultimate stage is like Olympia stage. Okay, so what about natural bodybuilders?
So I competed, the pro show. I got bronze. So in ICN, that ICN pro show is the top level.
Yes.
So you have to win, obviously.
So every federation has its own pro
so
shows.
WNBF has a WNBF pro show Worlds,
Yes.
which happens every year in November, and that is like Mr. Olympia for natural bodybuilding. That is one of the great shows. The standard of athletes are crazy.
Yes.
So my goal is to compete there and win in the WNBF Worlds.
Okay.
And even for natural athletes, you have IFBB Pro also. Natural shows are there.
Yes.
And they've started more. So you can become an IFBB Pro being an natty as well.
Nice.
And even IFBB shows, they are Pro League. IFBB Pro League is conducting natural bodybuilding shows, and they're drug testing properly.
Yes.
Not in India though.
Yes. I want to ask you, some of the people think natural bodybuilding is just a scam, not a single one is a natural athlete.
Tell me something, those people who talk shit about natural bodybuilding, what have they achieved in natural bodybuilding?
Yes.
nobody would have achieved anything.
Yes.
So these hatred are coming from silly people who would have gotten enhanced themselves,
Yes.
and even there also they wouldn't have achieved anything.
Definitely. Yes.
Okay, they are useless being enhanced also, they are useless. They can't be a natty anyway, so they are very insecure and they show hatred. For this question, I have got thousands of answers.
Yes.
I have to give you one simple answer. Anyone who doesn't have experience in natural bodybuilding is not qualified to talk about natural bodybuilding. And as a viewer, if you are listening to such hatred, ask this question: what has he achieved
Yes.
being a natural bodybuilder? Does he have a good coach? See, my coach has made like 100 pros. I have made
100
10 pros.
yes.
My coach has made more than 50 pros.
So who is your coach?
My coach, his name is Brandon Kempton. Okay.
Okay.
So when I talk about natural bodybuilding, I have achieved in ICN, WNBF, INBA. I have
Yes.
made others achieve. On top of it, I have a very good coach. So I can talk about natural bodybuilding.
Yes.
Some random guy who has achieved nothing and who's already enhanced themselves, even wouldn't have achieved that. If you notice, see, take IFBB pros, they won't talk anything about this. Those silly idiots only will be talking about this. So you just, as an audience, you have to ignore such people. You have to be smart enough to catch such idiots,
Yes.
and you have to only look up to the winners.
So right now I am also focusing on natural bodybuilding, but I am on a veg diet. So what will you suggest me for that?
So first of all, do you have a coach?
No, I don't have.
So which is the biggest mistake again. So you understand?
Yes.
Now if you try yourself something and if that doesn't work, then you
So
take
trial and
steroids,
error take
then-
more time than.
Yes, and then you take steroids, then obviously you are going to talk shit about natural
Yes, yes,
bodybuilding.
yes.
This is what usually, I'm not telling that you are going to.
Yes, yes, yes.
But so first thing is you have to be a coach. Veg, non-veg doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you have to be on a deficit.
Yes.
You have to create that calorie deficit. You have to burn more than what you eat. So how you create the deficit? It comes from the coach. How smart he is. I have to look at your lifestyle, what you train, how much cardio you do, what's
Yes.
your intake, protein, carbs, macros, everything. I have to see, and then actually suggest you what you should do. So this is not
According
I don't
to
have
my
an,
lifestyle
But
and
veg, non-veg, you don't have to worry.
Yes.
I've got a lot of vegetarian athletes who have won.
Okay,
in
okay.
being an athlete.
So I have a chance for
Obviously,
natural
it's
bodybuilding.
not just chance, you have everything.
Yes. So who is your favorite athlete from India in natural bodybuilding?
My brother, bro.
मंगल
My
आरंभम.
champ, yeah.
सो मंगल आरंभम आपसे हम हिंदी में बात करेंगे थोड़ा चलेगा ऑडियंस ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करते हैं और सो मुझे ये पूछना है कि आपका अभी फ्यूचर गोल क्या है
फ्यूचर गोल मेरा कोच ही बताएगा क्या फ्यूचर गोल है
So-
IFBB pro, bro.
Yeah.
In Sheru Classic also.
Okay.
एमेचर ओलंपिया
Amateur Olympia, he has already achieved a medal.
Is he going to be announced?
No, he's not going to be enhanced.
I'm gonna
He's
compete
the only
there.
natural athlete in India who has a medal in Sheru Classic, Amateur Olympia, and IHFF in India. He is going to compete there again this year. We don't have a natural show in India. If it was there, this guy would have got an IFBB Pro long back.
Yes, yes.
We don't have, but we are going to apply for US visa also, and he's going to compete in IFBB Pro, and he's also going to compete in WNBF shows in Singapore, and also he's going to for the WNBF Pro show also this year.
If a new beginner is going to compete, which show should he choose?
ICN in India, ICN. See, any show he can do, but obviously I'll ask him. Doing ICN is a fair, no?
Yes, yes.
So if you're a natural athlete, you're competing against natural athletes. It's a fair platform, and you have got lots of categories like first timers, novice, and all. So obviously you do ICN. INB is also there, and if WNBF comes, do that also. You can do any other show as well, but ICN will be fair if you're a natural athlete.
Yes.
And if you're an enhanced athlete, obviously you can do any show. Suggest it. Nobody, anybody, anyone it can be. What I suggest is do a natural show first. Be natural first. If you can't achieve a medal in a natural bodybuilding show, you might not be worth to actually get enhanced.
Yes, yes.
Because you need to learn the dedication, you need to learn
Hard
the
work,
sport,
yes.
consistency, hard work first, which anyways if you do it naturally, you're going to get a place in natural bodybuilding.
Yes, yes,
Then obviously if you get enhanced, you're going to be
So I asked that one of your student got the pro card today.
Yeah.
So how was the feeling?
it's amazing, bro. It's one of the best feelings. So we love the sport now.
Yes.
So I'm doing it for the passion. So obviously when, for example, this guy has beaten me also
Where?
in
I
the
didn't
last
know.
year Mumbai show.
Okay, Mumbai show.
So still see he's standing next to me, and I put my 100% effort to coach him. So I'm not jealous of him also.
Yes.
Okay. So that is something that I get a high when I win. Obviously I get a high when my clients win, and so it's an amazing feeling, bro. It's one of the best feelings, and I've got now 10 pro cards, which is the maximum for any Indian natural
Yes,
natural coach. So that gives me a high. So I'm very proud. So that's why we call ourselves the OG Natty.
OG Natties,
We are
yes.
the first one to win in INBA. We are the first one to win in WNBA. We are the first one to win into ICN. We are the first one to win in a pro show. We are the ones with the maximum pro cut. So
The champ.
I take pride in that. I get high. That is my drug.
So I want to also ask you, when was the first time you decided about natural bodybuilding, about
See,
going to
initially,
compete?
I think it was just luck, I guess. Initially, everybody told that you have to take steroids.
Yes.
So, but when I competed in Muscle Mania in 2015, I won in the first show.
So what about Muscle Mania? As in
Muscle Mania is a shit.
natural? Huh?
It's a shit.
Shit. Yes, definitely.
Bullshit. Please don't talk about it. Waste of time. हाँ.
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक आपको और एक सवाल
पूछो, पूछो।
ओके
क्या
जब भी IFBB प्रो कार्ड आप गए थे compete
हाँ
कर
जी,
रहे थे
हाँ जी।
तो एनहांस के साथ में जब नेचुरल जाता है
हाँ जी।
तो कुछ लगता है, मतलब कुछ तो अलग लगता
हाँ
है।
मुझे लगता है क्योंकि बैक स्टेज में ही पूरा इतना बड़ा बड़ा एथलीट लोग है
Yes.
तो आई वॉज अफ्रेड, मैं डर
हाँ।
गया था देख के। बट आई डोंट नो, आई वॉज इन द देयर वॉज नंबर ऑफ एथलीट्स इतना सारे थे।
Yes.
बट आई वॉज इन द फर्स्ट कॉल आउट, आई
Yes,
वॉज इन द
yes.
सेकेंडरी स्टेज फॉर अ व्हाइल। सो सी आई
Everyone was cheering. I was
हाँ, हाँ।
right there.
हाँ सो फिजिक अलग अलग देखता है इस स्टेज में।
Yes.
See, the thing is,
so,
I'll tell you why. Okay, this is men's physique. So, men's physique, you have to look pretty. You have to have a very good conditioning. You need to pose well. Okay. So, Mangal, if you see, he has enough size, and he poses amazing. And the conditioning that he brought was crazy. No, so that is why he was able to place in top 5 in men's physique. Okay, but if it was bodybuilding, it will be difficult for us because we are smaller. So when you compete against the enhanced athletes in men's physique, you have chance. Also, I'm not going to tell you that he is the biggest there, but there were so many bigger guys he beat
Yes.
because
Who are
they were
enhanced.
not. Yes, but they were not at their best. So it is also a skill to give your 100% on stage, stand at that conditioning. So that is a separate skill. Anybody can
On
take
that
steroid.
day to become the best.
Yes,
of the
anybody
people.
can take steroid, anybody can get bigger.
Yes.
But to stand at that 5% body fat, having your glutes shredded, having your lower back peeled, it needs a skill from the coach, from the athlete. It needs a lot of dedication. That is not easy, even you are an enhanced athlete.
Yes.
So that is why I keep on telling, it's not about steroids, it's about you being dedicated, the hard work, everything is there. So in men's physique, there is a chance when you present nicely, when you bring that conditioning, and when you have a decent size.
Yes, yes.
So he still has a chance to compete against the enhanced athletes in men's physique.
So are you still going to compete
Yes.
Yes.
this
He
year?
is already. We are getting ready for it.
So goal is to beat your previous version.
Yes, he has already been 100%. He has beaten
No?
already.
Yes.
हाँ.
that is the inspiration. वो inspiration होना चाहिए ना सबको कि if I win a pro card there, bro, then everyone will believe. No one will talk shit about natural bodybuilding after
Yes.
that.
Exactly.
Then
No, yes.
it's an inspiration for the youth also. It's a healthy lifestyle.
That we
natural
can beat
bodybuilding.
enhanced bodybuilding.
Yeah. So
Bodybuilders.
No, I
what
mean,
is what is the
it
trend
not
now?
the right statement.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't mean that enhanced bodybuilders are low.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So because
But we can push
natty or
through that
enhanced,
potential.
for example, say Mangal, there is one more Mangal clone. Mangal clone is there. If he takes steroids, obviously Mangal, this guy can't
I
do
can't
any
do
shit.
Yes.
So what we are telling is, you being a natty, if you put your 100%, if you have genetics to support, and if you are dedicated, if you have a good coach, you will be able to beat a lot of enhanced athletes
Right.
who are not actually working properly.
You can go far more.
Yes.
ahead.
Yes, exactly.
The goal is to bring the best.
That's
Bring
all.
the best.
I mean,
Better than before.
yes.
Bring the best version. So it has no limit. What is my best version? That it has no limit. So I also don't know what is my best version. So I have to work more harder than before. So a coach along my side. So I definitely believe, मैं विश्वास करता हूँ कि मैं इस बार बहुत अच्छा करेगा, and I will bring the best version of my life with my coach Yuba.
Yes. All the best. All the
Thank
best.
you so much.
All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.